The Indian smartphone maker Micromax has launched its new budget smartphone called Micromax N2C, and it is the successor of the last year launched Micromax N2B smartphone with quite similar design. Talking about the specifications, the Micromax N2C supports a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone features a vertically aligned dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The dual rear camera includes one 8-megapixel main camera along with the depth sensor. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni-SoC T610 chipset coupled with Mali G52 MP2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB by dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on stock Android 11 out of the box, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.31 by 75.68 by 8.63mm, and it weighs around 198 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Micromax N2C has been priced in India at 8,499 Indian rupees, but it will be available at a discount price of 7,499 Indian rupees for a limited period of time. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from May 1st in brown and silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Micromax N2C smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.